In the CBS 3 Health Alert tonight, stopping pain before it starts. There is a unique new way to be able to avoid suffering from things like arthritis and migraines. Medical reporter Stephanie Stahl shows you how.
Migraine headaches got so bad for 39-year-old Kathy Kennedy Steigerwald, she had to quit her job.
Sometimes they feel like someone is actually pounding you in your head with a bowling ball.
A combination of certain weather conditions is known to trigger migraines. It's not clear why, and weather can affect other conditions like arthritis.
Because I can feel it in my thumb, it just aches.
Inflammation associated with asthma can also be weather-related.
And I can feel it if there's kind of like a snowstorm coming on or anything like unstable air.
Now there's a new email alert system called MediClim that tells you when certain weather conditions are 24 hours away and likely to trigger suffering. Kathy is among the first in our area to get the early warnings.
That's been very useful.
It's not temperature alone, or pressure alone, or humidity.
In a webcam interview from Ontario, the creator of MediClim, Dr. John Bart, says his system analyzes 14 different weather conditions. He says different combinations can affect various ailments, from migraines to asthma to arthritis.
The average person in the street has no way of putting together the changes in temperature and pressure and humidity, the direction of the wind.
He says there's a meteorological component that computes where the conditions will be a day before they arrive, and that there are European studies to prove the formula works. Early warnings allow people like Kathy to take medication to prevent an attack or at least reduce symptoms.
Once the migraine gets started, sometimes it's harder to treat and harder to make it go away. If you can prevent one from happening in the first place, it's much better.
Now, the MediClim alerts are free based on zip code, and you don't have to give any personal or medical information to sign up. Dr. Bart says the alerts are for weather conditions only, not medical advice. Of course, check with your doctor before changing the way you take your medications and to get a prescription. But he says there are other things people can do, for example, with migraines. If you know a weather trigger is coming, some people should stay away from chocolate and alcohol, which also affects headaches. So it's a really interesting kind of new technology. We have a lot more information for you. CBS3.com, click on health.
Nice to know it's not an old wives' tale that the weather affects your health.